So kids, we are starting with the another level of our Kidlo coding app, and that is sequences. Coding basics level, which contain 30 level, you all have completed or most of you have completed. Today we'll begin with sequences. Just tap on sequences. Here we have various levels, but you can see that lock symbol is present on many levels. This lock symbol shows that these levels are locked for us as we are using the free version of this app. So only two levels in this app are open for us. Only two levels under the sequences are open for us, that is Tiny Tank and Little Fighter. So today we will go to the level Tiny Tank. Now you can see here kids that level 1 to 5 are in white color and another levels, that is level from 6 to 30, are in pink color. 1 to 5 are in white color means I have already completed those level, but as I am going to explain you, so I am just going to reset these level by clicking on reset button. Now it is asking, do you want to reset all the levels? I'll tap on tick option. Now it is showing all levels of this game have been reset. Again tap on tick option. Tap on Tiny Tank level once again. Now tap on level 1. Whatever is coming, just skip it and come to the main level. Just skip it. Yes. Now here in level 1 we can see, first I'll explain you the interface. We have a tiny tank as this, and this tiny tank has a gun, and this gun is used to shoot the character that is available or present on the right hand side, that you can see it is in yellow color and it is jumping. And what we have to do now is, we are having 4 blocks available at the bottom, and also we have some round or circle shaped boxes that are available at the bottom part of our screen. The boxes that are in red color and one box that is in purple color, we have to drag these blocks in these circle boxes. Depending upon what we have to do, we have to choose a block. Now in this level we can see that tiny tank is pointing towards the character. The direction of gun is towards the character. Only our task is that we need to move the tank and we need to shoot it. So to move the tank, we have the block that is up arrow. So first block that we have used is the up arrow. This up arrow is used to move the tank, and this purple block will shoot the character. This purple block is used to shoot the character. Only 2 blocks are required. First block is used to move the tiny tank, and the second block is used to shoot the character that is in yellow color. Now let's click on go button to see whether we have done the right task or not. Just tap on. It's done. Level cleared. So we are moving to the next level. Now in next level you can see that the position of gun is towards up, and the character is on the right. So we need to turn the character, and for turning the character we have one anti-clockwise turn and one we have clockwise turn. If we will choose anti-clockwise turn, we need to use this block 3 times, but if we choose clockwise turn, we need to take only 1 turn. So I'm just tapping on the clockwise turn arrow. After using this block, the tiny tank will turn towards the character. Then after turning, we need to move the tiny tank, and then we need to shoot a character. So we have placed the 3 blocks. I am again explaining. The turning block is used to turn the character in clockwise direction, Another block, that is up arrow, it is used to move the character, and another purple block is used to shoot the character. Our task is only to shoot the character. Let's click on go button to see. Yes, first it has turn, then move, and then shoot. Now we are moving to next level. Skip it. Now here in third level we have two characters that are in pink color, and the position of our gun is towards left, but the characters are available on right. So we need to first turn the tank, and to turn the tank again we have to use the turn blocks. So this time we can use both clockwise or anti-clockwise, as the number of blocks we have to place will be same. So I am just using anti-clockwise block 1. After using this block, the tank will rotate at an angle of 90 degree. Now we have to turn it at an angle of total 180 degree. So we need to use this block one more time. 90 degree first turn, and another 90 degree second turn. So it has been rotated total to 180 degree. Now we need to move it, we need to shoot it. So 4 blocks. 2 blocks will be used to turn the tank. Third block, that is up arrow, is used to move the tank, and third block will shoot the first character. But we also need to shoot the second character, so we need to move the tank again, and we need to shoot the second character. So we are keeping the purple block again. Now click on go. See, tank has moved, shoot, and moved, and again shoot the second character. Now in this way, kids, you have to clear all the levels of this game. All the best. Try the levels. Stay blessed. Stay happy.